Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to the Practical English Brain again. In this short video, I'll be giving you a very simple explanation of compound modifier. And it's very important to know compound modifier because without knowing compound modifier, you're not going to be able to use some of your words correctly in your spoken or written English. So let's begin with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who is very kind and merciful. So what's a compound modifier? See, there is a structure, there's a formula over here. Articles are on according to the sound of the number which comes after these articles in your sentence. And then a hyphen, and after that noun plus noun. Keep in mind that in this case, the first noun functions as an adjective and it must be always in singular form. We cannot bring the plural form with this noun because it functions as an adjective. Somehow it describes the noun which comes after the first noun. So look at the first sentence. We live in a 5-floor building. We live in a 5-floor building. Actually, the structure starts over here. Sorry. First of all, we have the article over here. And of course, there is a consonant sound at the beginning of this, number 5. So therefore, we use not an. So we see the number, after the article. And then you see a hyphen over here. Between the number and the first noun over here. And then floor, this noun, and after that, the last noun. So I was talking about between these two nouns, I was talking about the first noun. It should be always in singular form because it functions as an adjective. What kind of building? A 5-floor building. We live in a 5-floor building. So simply it means that our building has 5 floors. Even if we talk about, plural now, like instead of building, we talk about buildings, still, the noun which comes before this last noun should be in singular form. Look at the second example. He is wearing a 2-pocket shirt. What kind of shirt? A 2-pocket shirt. So altogether, a 2-pocket. This compound modifier is here to describe this noun shirt, okay? So it also goes with the formula, with the structure. First we have article, then we have number, then we have hyphen, and then noun and noun. And the first noun is always in singular form because it functions as an adjective. It describes the following noun, shirt. So now simply it means that my shirt has 2 pockets. The last example, as I said before, even if we talk about a plural noun, still the noun which comes before that noun should be always in singular form. So look at this example. There are many 10-floor buildings in this city. There are many 10-floor buildings in this city. So one more thing. When we talk about a plural noun like buildings instead of building over here, we do need the article before number. We don't say a 10-floor buildings. Why? Because we talk about something plural. Okay, so there's no article, but still, number, hyphen, and we talk about something plural like buildings, but the noun which comes before this plural noun should be always in singular form. Why? Because it functions as an adjective and it describes the following noun over here. So there are many 10-floor buildings in this city. I hope you learned the compound modifier. This is what we call compound modifier according to English grammar, okay? When we talk about something, okay, in this way, we use compound modifier. So I hope that you learned the compound modifier. Have a great time. Bye-bye.